You just finish the day and you sit down at the couch or at the kitchen table or something like that, and you pick up this little box. It's the remote for the TV. What are you going to do with that? And what do you hope to gain out of pushing the red button on there to turn that thing on? I mean, is it going to make you happy? Or is it going to drag you down and overwhelm you and exhaust you because you just spent your day working hard? Let me give you a little idea here. Why don't you sit down with a pad of paper and a pen and write down what you're grateful for? You know what that'll do? That'll take away your desire to hop on TV and watch some doom happening someplace on this planet, and it will help you align yourself to be happy for the rest of the evening and be energized the next morning, because that's what you'll think about when you wake up. That's your quick win for the day.
If you've enjoyed this content, head over to iTunes or wherever you get your podcasts and subscribe to Start With a Win. We release new episodes every single Wednesday and quick wins every other Friday. Remember, stay awesome, and we'll see you next week.